In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Airbnb. Whether you're dealing with a problematic guest or host, knowing how to block someone can be really useful. Let's walk through the steps together, and pretty soon you'll have all the tools you need to manage interactions on Airbnb smoothly. First, you'll want to open the message thread with the person you wish to block. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll demonstrate using a dummy account, and I'll provide screenshots to help guide you along the way. Once you have the message thread open, it's time to locate the three dots that'll help you access more options. If you're on a computer, you'll click on these dots, but if you're using a phone, you'll need to press and hold the message instead. This action should open up a new menu of options for you to choose from. From the menu that appears, you'll want to select Report this message. This step is essential as it helps Airbnb understand the nature of your issue. After selecting this, you'll be presented with different options to describe your situation. Choose the one that best fits why you want to block this person. In this example, let's say a guest asks me to communicate outside of Airbnb, which is against the platform's policies. I'll pick the first option available, then click OK to move forward. After that, you'll need to provide a bit more detail by selecting a relevant reason from the given choices. For our example, I'm going to choose they asked me to communicate outside Airbnb to make it clear why this person is being reported. Once you've done this, click Next to proceed to the next screen where you'll specify where the communication took place. I'll select Airbnb message. After entering that information, press Submit. Now a pop-up will appear offering you the option to block this person. This is the final stretch, so go ahead and click Block this person. To confirm your decision, you'll need to click the Block button one last time. Once done, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that this person is now blocked. Rest assured, they will no longer be able to message you, send you reservation requests, or accept any requests you might send. And there you have it. You've successfully blocked someone on Airbnb. I hope you found this guide to be helpful. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more tips like this on managing your Airbnb experience. Wishing you a wonderful day and happy hosting.